A long time ago, the battle between crops and weeds raged on. To aid in the fight, farmers used their powers of cultivation, but it took space and time and caused the soil to erode away. Then, in the 1940s, a new tool was added: chemicals. This new kind of tool, called herbicides, revolutionized farming. But all was still not happy in the fields. These herbicides could not be used on all crops and could not kill all weeds. Scientists took to their labs to work on a solution. From these efforts came glyphosate-resistant crops. This is the story about how one little molecule changed the world.
This is the EPSP synthase molecule. This enzyme is made up of 444 amino acids and is active in the chloroplast. The function of EPSP synthase is to combine the substrate shikimate 3-phosphate with phosphoenol pyruvate to form 5-enolpyruvyl shikimate 3-phosphate, or EPSP. EPSP then follows this pathway to eventually form the essential amino acids tryptophan, tyrosine, and phenylalanine. When glyphosate is added, it occupies one of the binding sites, blocking the amino acid synthesis in the plant, no longer allowing it to produce the necessary amino acids. This eventually kills the plant by halting the production of proteins. A natural mutation occurred in a bacterium, resulting in an isoleucine replacing threonine and a serine replacing proline. This double mutation blocks glyphosate from binding to the EPSP enzyme, making it resistant to glyphosate. The DNA that codes for this mutated enzyme was first transferred into soybean. A bacterium called agrobacterium was used to transfer the genetic information. One common method used to screen for successful genetic transformation is to include glyphosate in the tissue culture media. The resistant plantlets live while the susceptible plants die. The resistant plants can then be used to breed other resistant, more productive plants. Because of discoveries like the resistant EPSP synthase, farmers are able to reduce their inputs, reduce soil erosion, and increase yields, changing the world of agriculture forever.